problem is we get a subsidy from our state that is supposed to be VAT subsidy, VAT reimbursement for diesel, and we use a lot of diesel. Now that VAT reimbursement is calculated at around 7 rupees a litre, and the problem with us is it comes after 3 years. Once we put up our thing from the state government, it comes after 3 years, whereas in Karnataka and Maharashtra, the same subsidy is given to them as and when they are filling the diesel. So they have a book. If they fill 200 liters of diesel, the subsidy is minus, and that amount is directly they get a thing. So after 3 years and after a lot of begging with the state government, is a subsidy released. So that is our one problem.
It is very clear. Supreme Court judgment did not ban all mining. Supreme Court judgment banned only illegal mining. There are legal mines and illegal mines. Supreme Court judgment banned illegal mining. Legal mining is entirely permissible. But Mr. Manohar Parrikar, one fine day, decided all mining will be stopped. It was an arbitrary decision. It was a wrong decision. He's passed away, therefore I do not want to criticize him. But the fact is, the decision was totally wrong. We have said in our manifesto that within 1 month of coming to government, we will have a report from a panel of lawyers how to legally resume legal and sustainable mining. We have the lawyers in mind. The moment we come to government, we will form this panel of lawyers to examine and give us a report. The report will be implemented within 3 to 6 months. Within 3 to 6 months, legal, sustainable mining will be started in Goa so that you can have your mining, you can have your jobs, and the government will have its.
And there are many issues. One major issue was regarding jetty, regarding the traditional fishermen and my vegetable vendors. And then regarding issues of builders, GST issue. Discuss there. There is the government in power. We have a meeting and settle issues.
So there was also a question about the mining. He said
mining, what he has said. Illegal mining, stop. Illegal mining. But the legal mining is not stop. What he said.
Sir, he spoke about the MPA.
See, MPT have changed it to MPA. MPA with the Morgan Port Authority. It's wrong. I'm just going to MPT. And Morgan Port Authority is wrong. The authority won't take care of that.
He also said that the state government should give up a fight with the center. So if the Congress government comes into power, will you take up the issue with
GST Council has the Minister, Finance Minister, but here I'm the CM goes. But here in Goa, the CM not going. I think Mahmood Gilan is going for GST meetings.